We are going into the air.
I had it on the 3DS.
Which one did you play?
What is this box?
Central Data Processor.
What?
That's the AWAS.
You guys
I'll give it a
gotta...
call. I was just looking up the phone number for it.
This is a nice lounge. It's like a fishing cabin. Trailer.
You got a garbage can or something?
No. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Just replace it.
Those little pins. Here, this is bonus to a German lady named
Fake,
she's an old lady.
fake Daft Punk playing.
She flies pants off.
Look at
Where's
this
the cabin?
beautiful,
The roll race.
oh, beautiful 720 LG.
They still have the
QQ
the
TV.
protective plastic on it.
We got the classic hotel side table. I feel like I'm in a church basement or something. We've got the computer.
I still don't know what that is.
1776. And then we have Luke, who
I am here.
is also here.
Oh
Wow.
Yeah, that's the original paint job too. It's good from far.
Flying.
It's far from good though. You get up close to see all the hanger racks. We can go all four of us, but it'd be right at gross.
I'd rather not.
Wait, and then it'll fly like a dog.
I don't want to.
Yeah, you gotta ride in it for an hour and a half anyways.
And look how simple this is. It's literally just a cog right there.
This is right on the crank. There's no like gears or anything.
Wow. It's like my scooter.
Okay, I'll show you a pre-flight. So, start by putting the flaps down. The plane will fly at like 45 miles an hour with this much flap out. On the right side.
Right now?
Yeah,
Through here or the other way?
on the right side of the plane.
Oh, I see. Oh, yes. What is
Hop on
that?
in, Mitchell. What's what? That is a Cub.
It's Martin.
Actually, no, that is a Ronca Champion. That's a beautiful champ. That is the granddaddy of the decathlon. The door off. And on every Halloween, we have
Oh,
a-
yeah.
All right, hear me? Yep. So we have amps, charging the battery. That's it. Now we're completely full of fuel. This one always reads less than full. I don't know why. All right, left, starting with full left aileron. Then this wing comes up first.
Yeah, 'cause it's not Illinois.
Yep.